Steph and I always love visiting the zoo wherever we travel, and luckily we have one of the most popular zoos in the US right here in our hometown. Come along as we explore the Houston Zoo and take in the beauty of the surrounding Hermann Park. We're James and Steph. We love to travel and our dream is to reach financial independence so we can do it full time. Subscribe so you can follow our journey. Hey guys, we're back in Houston. Today we're heading to the zoo. We got our drink.
We're ready to have fun.
Located inside of Hermann Park, right outside of downtown Houston, the Houston Zoo spans 55 acres and is home to over 6,000 animals. It's an amazing, budget-friendly way to spend the day for families or for couples. First thing we did was grab a map and headed to the closest exhibit, Galápagos Islands.
Lions.
Where are they?
Look at them. Look at them.
The Galápagos exhibit at the Houston Zoo is the first of its kind and is home to sea lions, giant tortoises, and penguins.
Oh.
There's a really cool 40-foot long underwater tunnel where you can watch the sea lions swim all around you. It's a truly magical experience. As you continue on, there's a wall aquarium with jellyfish and a 40-foot wide one ocean aquarium designed like the Galápagos Reef, providing a habitat for turtles, bonnet-head sharks, and stingrays. Near the end, you reach the Humboldt penguin exhibit. These penguins originate from Chile and Peru, where it can get as warm as 100 degrees, but they're able to enjoy the climate-controlled environment here. Next up, Birds of the World. Birds of the World is the newest exhibit and features 3 aviaries separated by region: African savanna, North American woodlands, and South American wetlands. Steph's favorite was the Chilean flamingos in the South American wetlands exhibit. Texas wetlands. After that, we headed to the Texas wetlands. Here. This exhibit features bald eagles, whooping cranes, and alligators. What is this?
An eagle.
What kind of eagle?
Bald eagle.
Sadly, the bald eagles suffered wing injuries and are unable to fly, but thankfully they're well taken care of here at the Houston Zoo. What are these?
Pájaro. We are going to the South America's Pantanal.
The South American Pantanal is an exhibit showcasing the tropical wetlands of Brazil, the largest wetlands in the world. Pantanal? Pantanal comes from the Portuguese word for wetland, and the exhibit features a diverse range of creatures like otters, capybaras, jaguars, howler monkeys, and more.
Couldn't see it earlier. What do you think?
This would also be the first of our many sleeping animal encounters on this trip to the zoo. Wow.
Look at that face. He's really sleeping. Wow. Oh, somebody could warn you. They don't care. They're ignoring the stuff in the face. The jaguar is beautiful,
True.
big, and lazy.
Like us.
Like us.
So where are we going next?
Good question. Elefantes.
Next up was the World of Primates exhibit. Where are we?
Lost again.
The exhibit begins with the lemurs, who are found in the wild only on the island of Madagascar and are a threatened species.
Tail. Orangutan. You cannot find them.
We did end up finding their orangutan playing in the corner, but was too far away to get a good picture. Next up were the Siamings. These endangered apes are known for their loud hoots and screams thanks to their inflatable throat sacs, but were surprisingly silent while we were there. The white-cheeked gibbons are critically endangered and are normally found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia. The baby was really funny and playful.
Look at his eyebrows, oh my god!
Patas monkeys are the fastest primates in the world, and I guess they have amazing eyebrows. Okay, that was really cool. Now where are we heading?
Vamos a ir a los elefantes al fin.
Instead of the elephant, Stephanie led us to a sleeping tiger.
Everybody's sleeping today.
Bears are sleeping too.
They're lazy today, all of them. Everybody's lazy today, amigos, so sorry. We just see them from far away snoring. It's part of the fun. Let's continue looking for the elefantes.
Then we headed towards the African forest exhibit, the opposite direction from the elephants.
Map, but I think
James
she's leading us in the
lost.
wrong direction.
Yeah, he is. He's making us skip beautiful animales. No good. Jumping! Zebras.
Zebras. Guys, I took back over the map so we are no longer lost.
But we're still missing a left. Oh, gee.
We still hadn't found the elephants, but at least we finally found some bathrooms.
Stephanie finally found the bathrooms. How was it? Clean? Más o menos. Ready for the gorillas?
Gorilas, amigos.
What's he doing?
Scratching his nose.
Well, there's 3 of them.
Finally, the gorillas were awake.
True.
So we enjoyed. We bring the blanket.
What did you think about the gorillas?
They all were awake. Yeah, jumping. I like the gorilla with beaks.
Now where we're going?
Maybe to the elefantes.
As you leave the African forest exhibit, you get another view of the chimpanzees wrapped in their blankets.
But we are. Look how many.
Next, we made it to the giraffe feeding area, but it was late afternoon, so they are no longer feeding.
Next up, we're gonna go check out the children's area, even though we have no children.
We're still a child, okay? No.
We're supposed to be sleeping.
But he's awake.
Everyone else is sleeping except for the owl.
No cold?
kids area was cool. But now they're getting ready to close and we still haven't seen Steph's elephants.
Elefantes.
So we're rushing over there now.
So now we had to go all the way to the opposite side of the zoo so we could see the elephants before they closed. It's always nice going to the zoo around Christmas time so you can see all the decorations.
We made it.
Finally made it to the elefantes.
Just in time. What are they eating?
Pasto.
Luckily, we got to see some elephants eating close up.
Okay, I think we saw everything at the zoo. Now we're right outside the zoo at the Hermann Park.
Hermann Park is a huge 445-acre park and is definitely worth a visit. It's anchored by McGovern Lake where people fish or rent paddle boats. The Pioneer Memorial Obelisk honors the founders of Houston. This granite obelisk was placed there in 1936 to celebrate the centennial of Texas's independence.
It's nice, it's pretty. A lot of ducks and birds. And a lot of space to do ejercicio.
And squirrels.
And it's gross. Oh, there is one there.
Look how big he is.
The reflection pool is 740 feet long and 80 feet wide and is one of the most popular features of the park. At the entrance of the park sits Sam Houston on his horse Saracen. This sculpture has been here since 1925 and honors a general who led the army that won the Battle of San Jacinto. He would later become the first president of the Republic of Texas.
What is this?
Name is San Francisco.
Almost. On the north side of Hermann Park is the Houston Museum of Natural Science. Established in 1909, it's one of the most visited U.S. museums. The Miller Outdoor Theater is an always free, family-friendly venue that features all kinds of
Now we're
entertainment.
going to do some exercise, climb this hill up the Miller Outdoor Theater.
Oh, I'm already tired.
How many times should we go up and down?
Only una.
How do you feel? How do you feel now?
There's seating available, or you can picnic on the hill. So we barely scratched the surface of what's here at the park, so make sure you dedicate at least a few hours till you can
Now we're
see
just
everything.
going back down. And it's starting to rain, and it's cold.
There's also a train that will take you around the park for a scenic tour. The train costs $6 on weekdays, $7 on weekends and holidays, and takes 18
Alright
minutes.
guys, hope you enjoyed our tour of the Houston Zoo and Hermann Park. Please like and subscribe if you got value out of the video. Make sure to leave a comment, and we'll see you next time. Peace.